Hi guys, welcome to my house, and say hello to my little friend too. I don't know why it decided to show up, but we're gonna move on. So today I have some exciting news for the Ford household. We bought this house not too long ago. We closed on this house in December and moved in right on my birthday weekend. So yeah, it was a happy birthday to me. But we definitely bought this house knowing that we would have to do a little bit of work to it. It's a beautiful home. It was built in the 60s, and but one thing we knew that we would need to do when we moved in was that we were going to need to redo the bathrooms, and that day has come. I am so excited. So I want to give you guys a bit of a tour of the before bathrooms so you can just kind of see where we started or where we're starting. Yeah, so that's it. What I'm about to show you now is the guest bathroom. It's the main level bathroom. We have a bedroom downstairs that we actually use it as the office, but there's a bathroom down here, so it's very convenient. But it's one of the smaller bathrooms. All right, so for effect, I'm going to open the door. Excuse the mess, because we haven't really done too much to it. We bathe our son in this bathroom because you'll see why we bathe our son in here, but it's one of the smaller bathrooms. It's not terrible, but it's very outdated. I don't like the light fixtures. This mirror is much too huge for this area. I don't like all the brown. And the tile is everywhere. It's everywhere. So yeah, but it's still in pretty great shape. It's just that everything is really old and we want to update it. So yeah, there's not really that much more to this bathroom. It does have a vent, so yay. But yeah, oh, and you don't see the vanity. So yeah, that is all right, guys, so now we're upstairs. This bathroom will actually be my son's bathroom when it's done, but we don't really use it much at all. Like, he liked to come play with the toilet paper in here, but that's about it. So now you can see why I don't bathe him up here. It's because of this framed door. Yeah, I just don't even try to get through this contraption. And again, tons of tile, outdated shower and tub fixtures. We've never bathed or showered in here. I think the most we've done is use the restroom. Yeah. You see the tile on the floor is like a gray, white-ish color. It may be yellow because the tile is yellow. You can't really tell because the lighting is so yellow in here. Again, want to update the fixture, get rid of this. It's a medicine cabinet. Do people still use medicine cabinets? What is that? Oh, that's Q-tips. See, I've never opened this. But yeah. And that came out, I think that came out of the, that's not ours. I think it came from the previous owners. And I just haven't wanted to pick it up and put it anywhere. But eventually we have to. So, and this is the vanity. It's just like the one downstairs, except it's white. But yeah, this is this bathroom. It has a vent too, so yay. All right, and last but definitely not least, I am going to show you our master bathroom. So, I didn't clean up the countertop for effect because, really that's how it look right now. And I kind of wanted it to be dramatic for when I show that after. So, we love the size of this bathroom. It's much bigger than many of the bathrooms we saw, but I'm not into the Pepto-Bismol pink tile. I do love the fact that there is a closet in here, so I'm gonna reorganize that once everything is done. I got my baskets down there, so. But it also has, we don't have a tub in here, which I'm fine with because we really didn't use the tub at our last house. We had to put this thing in here so it could hold some things. We had nothing, yeah, we had nowhere to put things that we use in the shower often. So, yeah. It's got a frosted sort of door, same type of door, but for the shower, like in the other bathroom. This is pink and white towel. Same here. Now this bathroom has a window, but it doesn't have a vent, but we're gonna change that. It also has a medicine cabinet and a mirror. So thought that was interesting. Updating that light fixture. And of course, I'll reorganize all of this once I live in a bathroom I love. We got a recessed light put in the shower. So it was so like yellow in here before, but the recessed light is already making things look brighter and better. But the light to the shower was over here. You can see the old wallpaper from in here, y'all. Oh, I can't. Oh, if this, yep, Ada's old Rama up in here. This bathroom was probably it back then. I don't even know if I would have liked it back then. I probably wouldn't have cared. But anyway, so he had to reroute the electricity because we're also getting a fan put in here and it's going to be somewhere up there. Stay tuned for the after, because not only will it look different in here, but it's also going to be organized. Yay. Hello guys, and as you just saw, here we are 3 weeks later, still in the bathroom renovation. Long story short, I feel like I say that a lot, but anyway, long story short, the company or the guys that we're using to do this renovation have run into some challenges. We've appreciated the things that they have worked to do thus far. And I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't take this back. I just have a lot of lessons learned. I've never done a renovation before, but I'm probably going to do a video or something. I don't know. It might be a post. It might be a video on what one should expect when doing a renovation in their home, big or small. Coming into this, I felt like this was a fairly small renovation, but it's actually become kind of major. Yeah, you'll see for yourself. So you won't see the finished product in this video, unfortunately. You probably already know by now this is a part 1. So I'll be doing a reveal of the bathrooms in their finished state in a part 2. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the master bathroom this time. Okay, so before you saw a whole bathroom put together with the minus the recessed lighting and electrical work they started, but you can see that they had to level the floor to be able to put our new vanities in and the new flooring. Toilet's still there. They took the mirror out, and you can see that was probably the original wallpaper that came into this house, and I actually thought it was pretty cool. It's like little bees and honeycombs and flowers. I mean, not flowers, butterflies. I actually thought that was nice. So it's just old, but still got the fixture here. They took that light fixture out. I'm gonna see, they have to take that board out in order for my light fixture to work, but they took it off, so we'll address that when they come back. They took that medicine cabinet out. They'll have to replace it with patch that hole with some drywall. Those are just some 2x4. I don't know what you call them, 2x4s, whatever. Some wood they were working with. And one of the biggest changes you see is they have knocked out the wall of the shower. This excited me. We are getting an entire glass shower door. So it will go it will replace where the wall was as well as where the old shower door was. We'll also get an event in here, and it'll go up at the top. And we kept our closet. The only thing that they're doing in the closet is adding the same floors that are being put into the bathroom. And you'll see a version or a shade of this floor in the other bathrooms that I show. But what you can see is what our whole shower will look like. And this, what do they call, wainscoting or whatever this panel will cover all of the tile also. So that's how they're able to do this. So it was a partial demo of the tile, which was so loud and so heavy and nerve-wracking, but we got through it. But it's a vein cut marble pattern that I chose for in here. So just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. I usually, I'm gonna see if I can show you the fixtures. I chose brushed gold or champagne colored fixtures to go in here. So that's the drain. That's gonna be gold, but you can also see the shower head. So it's gonna be pretty. And that's, those are just their tools, but that's what we have in here right now. We'll move on to the next bathroom. Okay, next up is my son's bathroom. This bathroom will be primarily used for him. I may come in here to take a bath every once in a while because, as you can see in our master, we don't have a bathtub. This bathroom is almost done. It's fully functional. So we do bathe him in here now, even though it's not completely finished. We just are kind of in bathroom flux. Once they start working one bathroom, we just kind of move to another one. But they have installed the flooring. I made a comment about the flooring before in my last video, but once they finished, the vision just kind of came together for me. So I no longer have an issue with it. They installed the new vanity. I plan to change these handles out with matte black fixtures. And also, this pulls out, so I thought that was cool. This came from Wayfair. Got his mirror up. They did rip the medicine cabinet out and replace that with some drywall. So it'll be filled. Up here will be, the walls will be painted. And I'm going to keep it white because I like that. But all of this will be fixed with paint. They got the updated light fixture there, and I love it. I believe I got this one. It was either Lowe's or Home Depot. A lot of the same stuff is available interchangeably throughout those websites because they work through vendors a lot of time to for their e-commerce site. So this is probably available at both, but I want to say I got it at Lowe's. I'm 85% sure. And also, I know for a fact that this shower door is available at both Lowe's and Home Depot because I ordered them both from there. But ultimately, Lowe's was the one that shipped it. That's a story for another time. But I really wanted this shower door. I felt like it was perfect for small spaces. So, it's a bifold shower door. So it folds out halfway. It's got a little, so that's what it looks like fully extended. And I can pull it out. It won't move all the time. It's got a little lip on it to keep it from doing that. But I felt like this was perfect for the smaller space because it folded in and it goes either way, out or in. So this type of shower door makes it easy to take a shower, but it also makes it a lot easier for me to give my son a bath. See, we got what is that called? The soap dish in there and the shelves. And they have installed the wall paneling here. They still have some more trim to do and some more caulking and all of that good stuff. So it'll look finished like when they're done. But they still have some to do on this side, but you can see it coming together. So I am pleased with it thus far. And that's my son's bathroom. And last but not least, we have the guest bathroom downstairs. As you can see, I have the same flooring as I do upstairs in my son's bathroom. Me and my husband shower down here currently just because our shower is clearly not available. But they do have, you can see the bathtub has been installed. The flooring has been installed. And all of the wall trim has been installed. Now, what they do have to go back and do the caulking and sealing over again because I wasn't happy about it. I think there was a mistake made or something. They have to use a different type than they used before. So they took the one that they did before off, and they're going to redo it before they leave. Also got this gold mirror. I think I'm going to get a larger one. I measured out. I didn't want to get one too big because the space between the light and that trim below it, there isn't a lot, but it looks like I can size up a mirror. But that's the one that's here right now, and that's the light fixture. And they did have to replace the wall back there once they took out that really large light that they put in. And also we have the vanity. It is navy with gold hardware. I absolutely love it. And I think this bathroom is really coming together. I have plans. I also want a navy, I want a navy shower curtain with gold, what are those called? Shower curtain rings. Oh, and that little space up there, they're going to fix that also. I'm hoping it will all be fixed by the end of next week because today is Saturday. This is the day I'm filming it. You probably see it on Sunday. All right, everyone, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for me to post part 2 and reveal our beautifully renovated bathrooms. I'm praying that we only have a week more left of this project. Originally, we thought it was only going to take a week and a half to 2 weeks to complete, but we are now approaching week 4. Yeah, so I mean, it is what it is. Things happen. And I really do appreciate the guys, the company that we're using to complete this. They've been extremely transparent, extremely considerate and polite to us during this time. And yeah, I couldn't really have asked for more. So stay tuned. See you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can see the next bathroom renovation video or reveal. It better be a reveal. And I'll just check out everything else I have ready for you. Bye.